What's up? Welcome back to my channel. In case you're joining for the first time, my name is Grace and you are highly welcome. Today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you simple everyday makeup routine. And guys, I got a new hair. Yeah, guys, your girl had a new hair. Like, I had my hair cut off because of the heat weather in Nigeria, and I can't bear it anymore. Like, I want to be bathing and having water all over my head, all over my body. So that is the reason why I have to cut off my hair. So today's video, guys, I'm going to do a simple everyday makeup routine on this hairstyle. Let's see how it goes, if I'm going to do different or if I'm going to be transformed into a bae or a bad bitch. Guys, let's head into the full video. Before we get into the full video, subscribe to my channel if you're joining me for the first time and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any new video. So guys, to start off with this look, I'm going to quickly rush into the eyeshadow. I'm using Adventure Makeup Concealer, and I'm going to use eyeshadow brush 015. So I'm going to tap that to my lid. Then I'm just going to blend it all into the lid so that we'll have a cool and bright eyeshadow in there. One thing I love about this concealer is that it's a very matte one, and it's also a dry concealer. So I think I did a review on the concealer, and whenever you use it on highlight, it used to pop out, but the blending is very difficult. Yeah, so for the eyeshadow, I'm going to take Mini Masquerade Jenny's palette today, and I'm going to take this shade as my transition shade, and I'm going to blend it all into the lid. So one thing I love about this eyeshadow is that it has this pop and pigment look, and a little drop goes a long way, just like this. So I'm just going to pat and be blending, building the whole colors together. I'm going to switch to Cauliflower Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to take this shade and add it up with this. I'm mixing the three shades together, and I'm going to work it gently to the outer view, just to like build kind of different look in there. Then guys, I'm going to be blending and blending, building the whole shade together. Next thing I'm going to do is just to bring it out a little bit, because I want more, like, I don't know what I'm creating, but I know that I'm going to do something similar to what I'm doing. Basically, guys, we are looking crazy, like we are looking crazy, but nevertheless, it's not going to be like this. I'm going to take So Tara Touch Cosmetics UK. Already I've messed it up with another dark shade, that is why. And this is eyeshadow primer, so I'm going to use this to cut the crease part of my eye. So starting up, I'm going to lay it right from here and start working it. So being careful is the best way when it comes to cutting your crease. Take this warm cream color, and I'm going to use that to set the crease part. So I'm just tapping a little of that in, just press it all in to the areas where I want the colors to show up. Then I'm going to take this shade and add it up with this one and blend all of this in. After that, I'm going to take a super fine Kiss Beauty eyeliner and I'm going to line out that of my eye. But this is where you have to be very, very careful. I'm going to take my waterproof, long-lasting vitamin E mascara. I love this mascara a lot, guys. And I'm going to bring my natural lashes out with this. I'm taking this 60 lashes. It's a collection of lashes and I love how it used to pop. So I'm going to take this out of it, like one eye. Okay, now guys, so we are done with the eye look. So the next thing is just to work on the foundation and just cover up the face and see how we are going to do. So because of oily face, I would like to go in with my setting spray that is going to hold on my face before any other thing. For the primer, I'm using HD Studio Finish primer. I'm just going to dab it to the areas where I mostly have oil. And I'm going to blend it together. I'm going to take my Porn Long Lasting Oil Contour. So this one now is going all over my face. Let's blend together. Okay, so the oil has been controlled, just like my face is doing right now. It's not like when I was applying my eyeshadow. So for the foundation, I'm going to use NYS Don't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I'm going to use Mary Kay foundation. So you guys know me with this foundation. So I'm just going to mix the two together. Then I'm going to tap that in. Look at that. So for the highlights, I'm going to take the same concealer that I used to underneath. So to blend that in, I'm taking my beauty brush and blend and press that into my under eye. So to set the concealer, guys, I'm going to take our black opal finishing setting powder. That's my brush and set the concealer in. For the powder, I'm using Huda Beauty shiny powder. So to brown my face, I'm going in with the Shahara blush, and this is the palette. It has like a bronzer and also a blush. So I'm taking this shade and adding up with this. This is Neo and this is Abby. So I'm just going to take that and just bronze my face in. So coming to my nose, I'm taking this eyeshadow brush, and because of the fluffiness of it, I so much love it. So I'm adding these two shades together again, and I'm going to bring out my nose. Let's create a straight nose, you know what I mean? I'm going to bake my face a little bit. So for my lip, I'm taking Ever Beauty matte lipstick. So to fill in the lip, I'm going to take a MAC's lipstick. This is the shade I'm looking for. It's looking too serious, so I'm going to add it up with my Adventure concealer. Then I'm going to blend it together. Do what I'm looking right now, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm dusting out the baking powder. Guys, that we're done, I'm going to take my highlights, which is Zicky is everything. So I'm going to highlight my face. So guys, I'm going to take my powder brush and blend everything all in so you don't see any harsh line. Yes, and last step is to spray the whole face. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my tutorial today. If you like this look, guys, please let me know in the comment section. This is going to be like my everyday makeup simple routine because I'm feeling myself right now. Oh guys, I'm feeling myself right now. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn off notification bell so you don't miss out any new video. Until next time guys, I will see you on to my next video. Stay safe and bye bye.